Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, I feel like this person wants to come back to right their wrongs. They want to make this work with you. They definitely want to reconcile. The thing is, they're still working on themselves. I feel like they're trying to stand up more for themselves. They're trying to create boundaries for family members, friends, people around them. This person that you were dealing with in the past or that you know of, I do feel like this person, they did things to please other people. I'll just leave it there. And what's even weird, I paused like that because I hear someone crying. I don't know who is crying. Somebody's crying, okay? I hear whimpering. So it's on this side. Somebody's crying. So I don't know who I don't know. It's not funny that they're crying, but it's just like it came out of nowhere. So I don't know who it's for. There's somebody crying. I don't feel like it's y'all. I mean, I do feel like you guys were hurt in the past because of what this person did, but I do have this sense that you guys have been just moving forward, even though you're hurt because of what they did. There's somebody's in their feelings, okay? Because I need them to stop crying in my ear. I just need them to stop. So we're just gonna hop in and let's see what's going on with you guys. Y'all that ugly cry too. They doing it behind closed doors so don't nobody see them. I don't know if this is a woman or a man, because this cry is ugly, y'all. It's that ugly cry, okay? Snot dripping, like the whole... Okay, see, now I'm being extra. Okay, but I'm telling you, somebody's crying. Okay, so anyway, let's hop in. Let's see what's going on. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Virgos? Alright, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Pentacles. So this is telling me that somebody, one, was moving slow with you, and I also do feel like somebody's frustrated, possibly due to finances, and that's why they were moving slow. I feel like this person is taking their time. They're going day by day. It's like this person is no longer in limbo. They're no longer confused about what they want to do. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and this is why they're keeping their distance. Tell me more. Yep, this person doesn't want to argue with you, but I do feel like they're coming out of being in conflict within themselves, like internally, because they've been battling something themselves. Look at that. Y'all, I'm sorry I'm getting quiet. I'm just picking up some stuff. So listen, y'all see the Emperor and the Empress, right? Now... y'all, there's something going on. There's something that's... Okay, so some of you guys were dealing with a soulmate. Some of you guys could have been a twin flame situation. Y'all know I always say I don't care about the titles. Just, this is the energy that I'm picking up. So just take it however it fits for your situation. But y'all are both reversed, and you see what's in the middle. There's just a lot of conflict. That's why I felt this is why I picked up a lot of internal conflict. But there was something with you too. There were people that have been trying to keep you guys from becoming one, coming together, being on the same page. It was more than one person, whether it's family, friends, associates on, his side, your side, whatever. There were people that were trying to keep you guys apart. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but yeah, see? Now, whoever messed up, whoever was the one that allowed people to interfere. Remember I said love yourself first? This person has been listening to what other people feel like he or she should be doing. This is what I'm talking about here. This is why there was separation. This is why you guys have been retreat from each other. Now this person knows and they see what's been going on, and they're scared to come towards you now because now they know your guard is up. They don't even know how to fix this. Let's see. They do want things to improve with you, though. They definitely want things to improve. Tell me more. But they're not talking. There's little to no communication. Okay. Yeah, I told y'all, they're in their head about you guys because they feel like they lost you for good. Tell me more, please. They want to come and give you an offer, but they feel like at this point you're going to reject the offer, and they don't want you to cut them off. Virgo, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but see, I'm telling you, you walked away from this person, and they're afraid if they come back to speak their truth, you're going to walk away again. Because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow because of what they did to you in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I feel like they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you due to the fact that they did put you in some type of third-party situation. And y'all know with third party, it could be friends, family, relationship, career, anything could have been standing in the way. But honestly, there was a lot of people here. So I feel like it's a mix of friends, family, and an ex that could have came in. Let's see. There's a lot of people here I'm picking up. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but I feel like this person just doesn't have hope that they can fix things with you. See, they know that they messed up. They feel like they can't even turn things around with you. They put you through a lot. And see, the way the King of Cups came out, this person is emotional. I told you I heard this person crying, okay? I heard them crying. So this person is emotional, but at the same time, they wear that mask so well to the point where you feel like they're living their life. If y'all are still friends on social media, if y'all have friends of friends or whatever, it's like on the outside looking in, you think this person is just living their best life. They're happy, they moved on. But I'm telling you right now, behind closed doors, that's the farthest from the truth. I hear them crying, okay? They're still over there crying, okay, in the cut. I'm telling you, this person is sad. And see, this person is not speaking their truth to you. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. Look at that. I got the King and the Queen of Cups. I'm telling you, y'all are dealing with a soulmate. This is definitely a soulmate. For some of you, it could possibly be a twin flame situation. But it's just to the point where this person hurt you so bad, and they know that they hurt you. They're afraid that if they come to you and speak their truth, you are not going to open up to them because you're tired. You're tired of what they put you through, taking everyone else's side, putting everyone else before you. You're over it. See, and I feel like some of you y'all are coming out of being sad. I told y'all are focusing on you. You're just moving on. You're moving forward. You came out of that energy. And I feel like this person is trying to get out of this energy. But again, they back over there crying in the cut. So they're not all the way healed. They're upset with themselves because of how they treated you, the things that they have said to you. And they want to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but the way Temperance came out, this person wants to balance things out with you. But at the end of the day, they know that they didn't bring balance to you, and they have to give you the truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. I'm getting a lot of water here. So you guys could definitely be dealing with a water sign, or someone just has water in their chart. But I just feel like this person is going to give you the truth, and they have to tell you that they were being sneaky in the past. And they're afraid that if they give you this truth, that if they give you the offer as well, after they speak their truth to you, you're not going to take it. But they know that they have to come clean in order to have a new beginning with you if you choose to do so. See? And it's like this person's not happy because of what they have done to you. But they want to have this victory with you. The way the Fool came out, I'm going to take it back and forth. It's like, I do feel like they're talking to someone, trying to get advice on how to win you back. But at the same time, they're not taking the leap because it's out of fear. They're scared about giving you this truth. They're scared about taking that mask off and telling you how they feel, owning up to the nonsense, to their BS. So, let's see. Yeah, but see, somebody's using their intuition here, okay? Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I do feel like somebody's just trying to stay positive here. Look, see what I'm saying, y'all? There's two women here. It could be two men. There's two people here. And you know what's even more creepier? Why is the Queen of Cups like perfectly lined up? There could have been three. You never know. But remember I told y'all there were a lot of people standing in the way or standing in between the Emperor and the Empress. So I'm telling you, it was just a lot of people here. I do feel like Y'all, I'm picking up a lot. It's too many of y'all. I'm about to narrow this down. Okay. So I feel like there's somebody that was basically with this person due to what they can do for them. You know, can you help me out financially, or I need you to give, or they want them to help them out financially. It could go either way. But I just feel like at the end of the day, this person knows that they messed up, and now they feel like you don't want to put any time, effort, or energy into them. And this is why they're isolating themselves. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo. Tell me more. But see, there's a tower. There's some type of shakeup that took place. Clarify. See what I'm saying? There's the Queen of Wands. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. I feel like whoever was the one that messed up, they see things clearly now, Virgo. And they want to come to you to speak their truth. But see, they're afraid because, see, this queen here, she don't play any games, okay? She don't play no games, okay? She don't play. All right, we're going to keep saying that. She don't play. Y'all are over it. So now it's to the point where you want to hear this person out because you feel like you do deserve the truth. But at the same time, if they don't come with it, they're playing games, you're ready to end them. Like, I'm done. We're not doing this again. And see, I do feel like this person wants to start over with you and build something new. And that's why they want to come and speak their truth. But they're afraid you're going to go off on them. See, this person wants stability with you. This person wants to have something with you. I'm telling you, this person sees commitment, marriage, the whole nine. But you see this little person in the background? You see that person right there? They don't want it to happen at all. I'm telling you, there was somebody that was with your person due to finances. Somebody wanted money. Could have been a Gemini, or somebody's dealing with a Gemini. But if not, this person knows that there was no balance because they were entertaining or there were other people standing in the way. This is why there was no balance in the situation. This is why you were the one doing everything and you were trying to, figure out why is this person not meeting me where I am, or they're not giving me 100% because they out here doing other things or putting other people in front of you, before you. So it's like they messed up. They know they messed up. And see, they want to reconcile with you, and this is why they want to work really, really hard to win you back. Because, see, they left you out in the cold. They did. They ghosted you, Virgo. And see, you could have been dealing with a Leo that did this to you. But if not, this person just doesn't have the strength to come towards you right now because, see, they're regretting their decisions. They're regretting everything that they put you through. And that's why they're going to come to you and apologize for their behavior. But they're scared. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. They're scared because maybe somebody's financial stability was not where it used to be when you two were dealing with each other. But then also they could be scared because of the simple fact that if they come to you and give you this offer, you're not going to take it because even they feel like you deserve better. Because it's like, how could he or she take me back after I did X, Y, and Z to you? Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. This also could be them coming to speak their truth. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of contract or obligation here. Trying to get out of a legal situation. That could be why their money is not right. But this person wants to have a new beginning with you. See, they're going to come and give you that stable offer. And you could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or another Virgo. But see, this person wants to have a family with you. This person wants to commit to you. They want it all with you. But see, Spirit is saying they're moving slow. They're moving slow to come towards you because I feel like this go around when they give you the offer, they want to do it right. They don't want to have all those other people that we saw standing in the way. They're trying to take care of that right now. This is why they're moving slow. Because see, in the past, they were being very immature and childish towards you, Virgo. And see, this person is watching you. They're keeping a close eye on you. But see, they're going to free themselves from whatever situation that we're in. They are. And they want to have a peace of mind with you. Look at that. I have 2 9s here. So this is basically telling me that this karmic situation that they were in is coming to an end. But see, right now, even though they're coming out of being frustrated because they know what it is that they want, they know who they should be with, they don't know what to do to get the wheels moving. Like, what can I do to win Virgo back? Or Virgo messed up with you, cross watcher. How can I win he or she back? Like, what is it that I'm supposed to do because I messed up so bad? This person blocked me. This person, they could have changed their number. They don't know what to do. Even if they're not, they just don't even know how to start off the conversation. Because I'm telling you, this person was in some type of codependent situation. And see, now they learned their lesson and they're moving on. Because they want to move forward with you. But see, they're worried. They're worried, I feel like, that you're not going to take them back. Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more.